Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today, on like Friday, me and my class at school made some slime. And so today, we're gonna make edible slime with some marshmallow. So we have our stuff right here. Me and my mom are gonna be making it. We do not know how to make it. So, and maybe later we'll make some Ooh Black in a future video. So, what do?
Get some and put it on top of that big pile.
Okay.
You have to scoop it off with your finger.
Wish we had another spoon.
Yep. How about? Oh, yeah,
That tastes like marshmallow.
Right. Another spoon.
Uh.
All right. Now you put some right like that, and you start mixing it in.
So this is going to be slime.
I would leave it on the thing.
This is going to be slime that I don't know if it like feels like slime or something, but it's like slime that you can eat. So when you get bored with it, feels weird. Feels like clouds. Right now, my hand is like a snowman.
Kind of lift it up, make sure that the sugar stays underneath. Yeah, that looks good. So this is powdered sugar, and we are kneading it like you would bread or pizza dough or biscuits. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Does it feel like slime?
It feels mushy. Let me feel yours. Mine doesn't feel like yours. Mine feels more cloudy.
Yeah.
Does it need more sugar?
So you put some sugar on top, fold it, and tap, tap, tap.
Fold it,
sugar on.
tap, tap, tap.
Yep, keep doing that. Keep tap, tap, tap. And then fold it. Tap, tap, tap.
Mine kind of feels like yours now.
Yeah. Fold it. Tap, tap, tap. Fold, fold. Oops, kind of sticking to the...
Pretty sure it's not supposed to be sticky. Tap, tap, tap.
How's that feel?
Feels good.
I wonder if you could put this on a graham cracker.
Will we be able to dye this?
Let me see if we have any dye.
So, we do not know if we have dye, so we need to wash our hands, or just lick them.
Just hang on a second. Let me see if we have dye.
That tastes so good. That's the only time you should lick your hands.
Yes.
We have dye. Which colors? Well, no sprinkles or no beads or whatever. Oh, we have like red, orange, green. So we have all the colors. So we have red, yellow, are you gonna make yours?
Do you want to do
I'm gonna
your
do
school colors?
I'm gonna do red and blue.
All right. So let's see how many drops of each you need.
Pretty sure
for
like
purple.
Purple. Well, we can do light purples, like a few drops.
I think you need some more sugar.
Oh, that's sticky.
Yeah. If you're gonna do purple, I'm gonna do yellow, I think.
Yellow and green.
I think you should do 1 blue and 5 reds. Just let it drop out.
One,
Oop, one blue.
5 reds.
Yeah, 5 reds.
1, 2, 3. There are 5.
All right, I'm gonna do yellow for gold.
That's orange. So I just mix mine?
Let's look at it first.
Pretty sure in slime you should mix it. Is that
Right.
good, guys?
Yep, and this is mine. Oh, where is mine? Oh, there it is. All right, so
So
fold it over again and tap. Just keep folding. Oh, I got some of your red.
uh-oh. Oh, this is red.
You probably should keep it.
It's like really dark red. Should have done more blue.
Keep folding.
Uh,
Do we have a problem?
yep.
All right, let's get some more.
This is good.
Is it good?
I think I need more blue.
Oop.
Let's look at it more white.
Remember, bold, tap, bold, tap, bold, tap. How's it looking now?
Pink. This time I think we should put more blue.
Okay.
It's really good.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Hang on.
We need 1 drop of red.
No, I think you have enough red.
Makes it pink.
Yeah? Well, gotta keep.
Ugh.
So this is my yellow.
Whoa.
Right? Here, put it on again. Now see? Tap. Tap.
That looks more purple.
Yeah, it's getting there. Go, brothers!
My hands.
Right, what do you think?
Looks good.
Oh, man.
some more red on because of my hands. Is it good?
That was good.
Can I try some of yours?
Yep.
Ah, good. This is mine. Or purple.
This is my yellow.
This one's really good. Ah, it's really sticky. So that's all for today's video. So